first thing that you need to do is go to WIDA AMS. So Google WIDA AMS. Then you will log into WIDA AMS DRC portal. You will put your credentials and then click sign in. You will get to this screen, and from here you will click My Applications. You will see this new menu and you will select General Information. You will see some tabs, some options at the top. You will select Technology Downloads. Here you will look for the DRC Secure Browser for Windows. So it is this one right here, DRC Secure Browser for Windows. Is the 9th option down. You will move over to the right to find the installer. So you will download the installer. You click download and it will show that it's downloading at the bottom. From there, you just click to launch it and follow the instructions on the screen. And that's all.